Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I got this big old beastly 70mm brass Squire padlock lion. Yeah, it's beautiful. Don't know what that's about. If you guys know what that's what the fuck that's there for, it's a huge security risk or security flaw, I think, for a physical attack. Alright, so this fucker's got some spools in it. We're going to see, I'm assuming, I can't gut it, I haven't gutted it, but just from the feedback that I was receiving. Ciao, Slade. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Until next time, catch you later, guys.